Hello, we are the Undecided Code and we are about to discuss the Arduino activity. And here are the member of Undecided Code. Jovan Sarmiento, Giovanni Dayo, Roland Ansau, Joseph Kent Federizo.
Presented to Dr. Earl Marquez Elvina.
Here are the components of AP11 interact with servo. 3 times of jumper cables FM and 3 times of jumper cables MM and one 10K potentiometer, and the main components is servo times 1.
This is the source code of Arduino Project 11. This line includes the servo library, which contains the necessary functions to control a servo motor. Think of it as importing a set of pre-written tools for your project. This one creates a servo object named myServo. This object is what you will use to command the servo motor. In potpin, this declares an integer variable named potpin and set its value to 0. It specifies that the potentiometer is connected to the Arduino analog pin AO. In val, this declares an integer variable named val. This variable will temporarily store the value read from the potentiometer. Void setup. This is the start of the setup. Function which runs only once when the Arduino is powered on. myServo attach. This command links the myServo object to digital pin 9. This tells the Arduino that the servo motor is physically connected to pin 9. Void loop. This is the start of the loop function, which continuously repeats after the setup function is complete. Val analog read. This reads the value from the potentiometer connected to pin AO. The function returns a value between 0 and 1200. myServo write. This tells the servo motor to move to the new position specified by the value variable. Delay. This line pauses the program for 15 milliseconds. This is a short wait that gives the servo enough time to physically move to its new position. That's all, thank you.